Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.
Do you want to make money online? I know starting a YouTube channel, blog, or any other source of income can be really difficult. But trust me, after watching this video, you can earn around $30 a month without doing any hard work. All you need is a mobile device, basic internet connection, and 2 minutes of your dedicated time every day. This method is completely suitable for any beginner who is just starting out and wants to make some side income on the way. So without wasting your time, let's jump on to the main video. In this method, I will show you how to earn a free cryptocurrency called Hi Dollar. Like Bitcoin, Hi Dollar is also a cryptocurrency that was launched recently in 2021. The price of Hi Dollar currently is around 70 cents. To earn free Hi Dollars, you need to download the Telegram app. The next step is to click my referral link. The link is given in the description box. When you click the referral link, you'll be redirected to your Telegram account, where you will find a Hi Dollars chatbot. When you click on the bot, you'll be asked for your language preference and your mobile number. Then you will be asked to enter the nickname of the person that invited you. Just enter nikratherford. It is given in the description box. Then enter your unique nickname, and it's done. Now every day when you click on Claim Daily Reward, you'll be asked a question. Just choose any option and you'll get one free Hi Dollar. To withdraw your earnings, you need to go to hi.com and complete your KYC. Then you can transfer your Hi Dollars to exchanges like Binance or Coinbase, and from there you can get the money in your bank account. Don't worry, I'll be sharing with you the video links regarding how to create an account in exchanges like Binance or Coinbase, so that you don't get lost. If you liked this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.